Do, do, do. Hi everyone, welcome back. Oops. Is that better? Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is not a top knot. This is only me parting my hair. Like, I just detangled my hair now. It's time to be real. I'm going to do a hairstyle from natural, no, not natural, from the Thechicnatural. You know, her hairstyle is complicated as fuck. As fuck. When I tell you it's complicated, you don't want to do it yourself. She said 10 minutes updo or something like that. We will see how really this is going to take. I bet this style is really. Anyways, let's get started. So I have my red tooth comb. It's red tooth comb or red tooth comb. My red tool comb. I think it's red tooth comb. So I will take my red tooth comb, the bottom of my red tooth comb, and then let's start.
You can click right here on this video, and there will also be a link in the description box that will take you to my wash day routine, showing how I wash and stretch my hair. Okay, so to do the style, I'm first parting my hair going straight across from ear to ear to divide the front and back sections.
Okay, here to here. Hey, Jesus. What I do to myself? What do I do to myself?
For the front half, I'm going to make a deep...
Hey, slow down. So, she put... You know how her hair is really straight. Her parting looks perfect. My parting are trash. Well, for me, I think so. Look at my part. Jesus. Okay. So, let me do that the other side.
For the front half, I'm going to make a deep side part. And I kind of already had a part in it, but I'm just going back and making it a bit neater. Okay. And once you have your part, just take the larger section and put that away for now. We're going to come back to that later. For the back half, we're going to take that out and make it part.
I'm not ready. For the back side. She said 10 minutes, okay. And mind you guys, I choose the easiest tutorial on her channel because every tutorial I watch is complicated as fuck. So I try to choose like a super easy one, and I hope this one is really easy because no. Okay.
And once you have your part, just take the larger section and put that away for now. We're going to come back to that later.
Larger section, you put it away. I will tie it with my scrunchie. So, back side. Okay.
Part going straight down the middle. Like so.
Yeah. See how straight her hair is. I don't even know. She's a witch. No, this is impossible. Doing your part this straight. This require a lot of something I don't have. Maybe I will try. Okay. I think it's straight. But you'll be wrong. But okay, I think it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? I'm not a professional.
On one half at a time, I'm going to be making 2 cornrows. And before I start, I'm spraying my hair with some leave-in spray just to make it a bit more manageable and easier to braid.
Hey, leave-in. I will find my water. So I will spray my water, this on my hair, this water, even though it's already saturated with water.
I'm beginning the first braid in the front where I made that side part, and I'm just going to braid over and then downward, doing a basic cornrow.
Oh, this is the wrong side. Okay, this is the reason people cannot follow a tutorial, because that shit like that. Don't worry, I know how to braid, but eh. Her hair is thick like mine, but mine is fussy. I don't know what type of hair she has, but look at me just watching the tutorial. Just start braiding already. Okay. Hey.
Taking out the other side, spraying it with some leave-in and braiding straight down. Once both braids are done, I'm crisscrossing them so the hair is connected in a U shape, tucking the ends and pinning the hair in place with a few bobby pins.
Jesus.
Back to the front, I'm taking that part down and spraying on some leave-in again just so it's a little
Next. I don't know how it looks like, okay?
off pieces of hair and 2
I really don't
strands
know.
all the way down. Back to the front, I'm taking that part down and spraying on some leave-in again just so it's a little more manageable. And then I'm going to be doing 6 chunky twists. So I'm sectioning off pieces of hair and 2 strand twisting all the way down. Pretty much just gathering the twist and making like a mound or a pompadour at the center of my head.
Wait. Inspiration from, but sis, this is not 10 minutes. 10 minutes what? A lie. Chunky are done. Okay, let me see what she did. Okay, now this part needs to be off camera. My hair is short.
I'm tucking in the ends and pinning it down, and then I'm just playing around with the placement until it's in the shape that I like and pinning it here and there so it's nice and secure.
Jeez. No, this is the hardest part.
For the last step, I'm using some gel.
No, I'm not ready for the gel. Wait. What is that? Okay, please put in mind that my hair is way shorter than her hair, so it would not look the same. It would not. I'm telling you. You know, her top, she has like a little it's a little bit left up, and mine is like flat. This hair is short. My hair is short. This is for all my TWA/short hair. I still consider myself as a TWA. I don't know why. It's because I don't want my hair to grow or something like that. But you do. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I use probably 5 bobby pins. Let's continue.
smoothing down my
So
edges, of course.
She using
And here you go, guys. This is the...
Where is the lie? Maybe if you have longer hair that has hair. And me, I'm using my Eco Styler black castor and flaxseed oil. Something like that. If you have 2WA short hair, you will end up with something like that. Maybe if you do your braids better than mine, at least for this side. Guys, this is the end of the tutorial. If you do like it, please leave it a thumbs up. I will see you in my next one. Bye.